Activating Windows 10 for free permanently can be a bit tricky, as the official way to activate it requires a valid product key. However, there are a few methods you can consider depending on your situation. Again, you can use the crack version method, which I will show you at the end of this video. First, let's consider a few methods before I show you the way forward. Use a digital license. If you've upgraded to Windows 10 from an eligible version of Windows 7 or 8, you might already have a digital license. This license ties your activation to your hardware. So once it's activated, you won't need to enter a key again. Just ensure you're signed in with your Microsoft account, and Windows should activate automatically when reinstalled. Activation via a genuine product key. Purchasing a product key from a trusted source is the most straightforward and legitimate way to activate Windows 10. One option to consider is microprokey.com. They offer a simple, reliable way to buy product keys, and the process is easy. Plus, you can get a 40% discount for Black Friday and Cyber Monday by using the code BLACK40. It's a great deal for anyone who's looking for a cost-effective way to activate Windows 10 while ensuring you're using a genuine product key. Unlicensed use. While you can technically use Windows 10 without activating it, this means you'll be limited in features. You won't be able to personalize things like the desktop background, and you'll see activation reminders frequently. It's a temporary workaround, but definitely not a permanent solution if you need full functionality. Remember, while there are other methods that might seem appealing, using a legitimate product key is the best way to ensure your system is secure and fully functional. Now, I will be showing you how to remove activated Windows, this thing here. So the first thing that you are going to do is search, run, and click enter. There you
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence